Welcome to short and crisp algo trade training from Market Secrets. If you're interested in learning end-to-end algo trading, use the link in the description to join our ATP program. In this episode, we are going to learn how to find percentage move in a stock. For example, right, we have some strategies that will initiate a trade when a stock moves a certain percentage. For example, right, if SBA moves, 1% or 2%, we'll automatically, do some automated trades. So, how do we find whether a stock has moved a certain percentage? So that is what we are going to see today, because we don't have any direct method or attribute to pull that particular value. So we have to calculate manually. So let's see how to do it, because a lot of you are asking this particular point, how to calculate the percentage move in a stock, because we don't have it provided readily by the API. So let's see it. Okay, so first thing, you need current price and previous day's closing price to calculate the percentage change, right? So for how much the stock moved till now from last night, that is what is the percentage change. So you need the current market price that we'll get from this script which we have developed earlier. Likewise, previous day's closing price I'll get from this particular script. So I need two data points, and I have both of those already. So let's directly jump into calculation. So it's a straightforward calculation, but you might run into some errors, so I'll explain it in detail. Okay, so percentage change, okay, equal to, so I'm creating a variable. So what we need to do is, like, first thing is like you need to calculate the difference between the last traded price and yesterday's closing price. Okay, so what is the last traded price? My last traded price, LTP, right, minus what is my closing price. You have it in my close, right? So you have both these variables. So now you need to divide it by last traded price. That will give you the percentage change. All right, so now you need to multiply this value by 100. That's it. So we might run into some errors, but this is basically the formula. Your last traded price minus previous day's closing price by last traded price into 100. That will give you the percentage change. Okay, I think I made a mistake here. I mean, how much a stock moved from last night, right? So we shouldn't be using last traded price in the denominator. How much it moved from closing price. So, that is what we need to, get. So, I'm just replacing the last traded price in the denominator with the closing price. So let's see, what happens. I think we might run into some errors due to, typecasting issues or, conversion issues. Yeah, so these are all being considered a string. So what I'm doing, I'm going to instead of getting this as a string, I'm going to get these values as a float. Let's see how it goes. Okay, I haven't printed. Wonderful. Print percentage change. Yeah, but anyway, it got executed, so we should get a proper response now. So the percentage change now is 0.438. So let's check in the UI. What is the difference? Yeah, 0.44 it is. So yeah, we got the right value in the response. So with this, now you can easily calculate the percentage change in any script, and based on that you can configure your scripts to trigger the automated trades accordingly. So if you have any queries, comments about this episode, let me know in the comment section. Also hit the like, share and subscribe buttons if you find this video useful. Thank you.